Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this fall makeup look and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the BH Cosmetics Ibiza Take Me to Ibiza palette, and we do have a discount code prettygrace for some money off. So definitely you guys go ahead and use the discount to purchase anything off BH Cosmetics website. And I'm gonna start off with this burnt orange and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease. I am going to take my time and build this color just because I didn't use any primer or anything like that, but I want the color to be where I want it, so I do take my time and I layer this color on. So I'm just going back and forth using a Morphe brush, and you can also use Pretty Grace for some money off on Morphe. If you guys are interested in purchasing any brushes or anything, definitely check them out. So I'm just applying this color right in the crease, making sure that the color does blend up. As you guys can see, I like this brush because it just helps the eyeshadow blend and it applies it really nice. And I'll try to link the number of the brush down below for you guys. Then I'm going with this orangey shades right here, and I'm going to apply those right onto the crease as well. I'm just going to help kind of blend out the color that I just applied. And I kind of wanted more of an orangey shade, so I'm going to go ahead and apply those right on top. Just, how can I explain it, a little bit higher than I applied the first color. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on. I'm going to go ahead and apply this color right here. And I'm going to be using another Morphe brush, and I'm going to apply this right on the crease as well. So it's kind of like a little bit more reddish color. I just was trying to deepen my crease a little bit more because I will be cleaning out to make a cut crease. So I kind of wanted the right on my crease to be a little bit darker. So that's why I am layering that and packing the color onto the crease. So then I'm going to go ahead and apply this white silverish color, and I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone just to give it a little bit of shimmer. I really didn't dip this color that much into the eyeshadow because I didn't really want it to overpower the look, but I applied enough so that it made it pop a little bit. So I'm just going back again with that orangey shade and blending everything out. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do the cut crease. I'm using this cream thing from Makeup Forever. I have no idea what it is. So I'm just going to use this. You can use concealer, foundation, whatever you guys have, primer, just to clean it up and do a cut crease. I'm going to be using that because I found it once I was cleaning my makeup. So I'm like, you know what, let's just use it. So I'm going to go ahead with a flat brush using from Morphe, and I'm going to start carving out my crease just to give it like the little cut crease. And it's so easy, you guys. Just going to clean that up. You can definitely do a lot more, like a lot better job than I did, but I mean it still worked out. But I'm just doing this and I'm making sure that it's really nice and carved out like I want it. I could do a higher cut crease. All I had to do is look up, and then wherever it went, the white base, it would just was where I would carve out my crease, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead with this orangey shimmery shade. I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray. Then I'm going to dip it into that color and then apply this right onto the lid. So I do tap it and then I kind of just go back and forth just so that it kind of follows where I carved, and it really works out for me. So definitely try that out if you guys are trying to achieve a cut crease. It just helps a lot. So I'm just setting it, just applying a little bit more of the shadow without using any more setting spray, just to kind of set it, because when I did apply with the setting spray, it was kind of wet. So then I'm going to move on with the inner corner color. I decided to do a yellow just because I felt like it went with the look, and it actually did. It made the color look, the eyeshadow look a lot better. Oh my god, I can't talk today. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I did apply a little bit of setting spray to the brush just to make the yellow pop a little bit more, and it looks really good. So make sure you guys do apply some setting spray onto your brush before you apply the yellow. From here, I'm going to use some new lashes. These are from my friend Beck's Brows, and she just came out with her own lash line. So I am going to be applying these lashes, and I find them so easy to put on. I really do like the quality of them. She's just testing them out now. I do have her tagged on Instagram, so definitely check her out. I'm cutting to the size that my eyes are. So I've been doing my lashes for so long that I already know what size how much I'm supposed to cut off from the lashes. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I just used the back of a brush to apply the eyelash glue. And I do have the fan right next to me, so I do set the lashes down a little bit so the fan hits them and it dries up the glue a little bit. So while I was doing that, I work on the rest of my makeup. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. This one's from Araceli Beauty. I will list them down below. I think this is like the easiest eyeliner I've ever used, so definitely check them out. Alright, so you guys can see I just decided to do a small wing. I didn't do a thick wing liner because I felt like I was going to ruin the makeup look. I still need to practice a little bit more doing my wing liners. I had stopped doing wing liners for a bit, and then I decided that I was going to give it another try. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. These were so easy to apply. I really like these lashes a lot. Alright, moving on, I'm going to go ahead with this yellow shadow from the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, almost to my brow bone, just to kind of mix everything together. I really wanted some more yellow in there, so it looks kind of fiery, so that's what I went ahead and did. It kind of reminds me of Hot Cheetos, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, the original one. I do like the waterproof one. I feel like it's a lot better, but this one is still kind of my favorite. The waterproof, I do like it for the bottom lashes. It just helps so that the lashes don't get droopy and then all the mascara's on my face. So yeah. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line. I'm going to do the same thing I did on top. I'm going to do in the bottom. So I'm applying that orangey, burnt orangey red shadow. Then I'm going to go back and then I'm going to apply the brownish orangey shade. Apply that one on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. I really like this brush. I got it from Morphe, like in the holiday collection, and I tried going back to see if they had it, but they don't have this brush anymore. But it's a really good brush for bottom lash line. So then I'm just applying the lid color right on the inner corner, so you guys can see it kind of the same thing I did on top, I did on the bottom. So just so you guys know. And we're just gonna go ahead and apply our mascara to the bottom lashes. That's just going to make the look a little bit more cute. So after that, I decided to go ahead and apply some eyeliner to the waterline, and this one is from Rimmel London, I believe. This is a skin color one, and I really like because it opens up your eyes, so and it's very creamy, so I really like that. Alright, so for lips, I decided to mix two. This one is from Time Los Angeles, and I'll list the names down below. I felt like this one was orangey, but I decided to apply a different one on top to mix both of them. So I really like how those colors turned out mixing both of them. So yeah, I really like her liquid lipsticks because they're so pigmented and they go on so easily. So definitely check her out. I think I still have a discount code with her. I think it's Grace05. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, and I'll list it down below for you guys and the names of these liquid lipsticks. Yeah, so I think that's the final look. I'm just taking my sweet ass time. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to share this video. Leave me a comment down below, and I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like and maybe share. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.